A Jaguar fighter plane of the Indian Air Force crashed on Tuesday in Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, minutes after it took off for routine sortie. The aircraft crashed near a warehouse of Food Corporation of India at Naini, about 50 kilometers from Indian Air Force Central Air Command at Bamroli on the outskirts of the city. Both the pilots ejected safely and no casualties were reported. This is the third incident in a month. An IAF advanced jet trainer Hawk crashed in Odisha's Mayurbhanj district on June 3rd, while a Sukhoi Su-30 combat jet of the Indian Air Force crashed in Assam. These incidents may be isolated but points out to the poor maintenance and irresponsibility on part of the government.